Hello guys, this is Mr. Steven, lives in Springfield, VA. Today I am here to share my experience with Adams Garage Doors LLC. Few months ago, I bought a car. To provide utmost protection, I required to have a well-built garage with robust door. But my residential garage door was broken and it required immediate spring repair service. But I could not figure out where to avail the best garage door spring repair service near me. Scrolling down the internet, I found Adams Garage Doors LLC. Browsing through the website, I got to know that it is a licensed garage door company in Springfield, VA with more than 40 years of experience in this business. Their skilled and experienced technicians are famous for offering garage door installation, broken door repair or replacement, regular servicing and maintenance. They use highest quality garage doors from top brands like Homer, Klokba, Liftmaster, etc. I was amazed to avail their guaranteed garage door spring repair service at affordable fare. If you want to avail the same, contact them now at 703-626-6766. For more details, browse through https://adamsgaragedoors.com/.